So today we're gonna make bread. No,
Cake.
not make bread.
Mini
Little
cake?
Topping. We're gonna put toppings on this bread.
We will
By the way, this
decorate
is
it.
Among Us bread. So let's start.
I will get more knife.
Yeah, I think we need another plastic knife.
Whoa. What is the bright stuff?
I'm not sure. I think it's just like some cream or something inside of it.
We have a lot of knife.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
What?
This Nutella is so good. Oh my gosh. I love Nutella.
First, I will cut up this part.
The top part?
This brown part. Cut off.
How about Jenny? What are you going to do? Cut it in half?
So far we're doing the same movement.
Do like this.
Mm-hmm.
And do like get the hole.
Oh my gosh. Oh
Make the
no.
hole up here.
Mm-hmm.
But not the
Whoa! What? What went flying?
A red piece.
but not the really the back
The back?
down one.
The bottom?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm like, and this is Nutella.
Do you guys like Nutella?
No.
No, Jenny
You
doesn't like it.
You don't even need to use Nutella. You can use peanut butter. Too.
We don't have.
Do you like peanut butter?
No.
아니 그거를 뭐?
How about peanut butter jelly sandwich?
No.
I never ate it before.
You've never had a peanut butter jelly sandwich?
Yeah.
But have you seen it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Have you seen American kids eat peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yeah, I saw it.
And so what do you think? Do you want to try it?
No.
Wow, Jenny's working very carefully.
More?
More sprinkles.
Maybe there's too much Nutella or something.
There's never too much Nutella.
Yes, there is. If you eat a full jar of Nutella, you'll get sick of it. Oh my gosh. Someone really ate a whole jar of Nutella by her own.
On YouTube? And what happened?
She got fat.
Wow, Sarah, yours looks like a real cake.
앨리스.
Leave a comment about which one is
Oh,
your
그치?
favorite. Huh?
Oh my gosh, mine looks so sick. Mine looks so sick. Look, I have.
혜연아 가만히.
You have Nutella. I put
Oh,
Nutella
Can I
here
use it?
and sprinkle on here.
So
Just a
pretty.
little bit?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, very pretty.
And then I put Nutella here with sprinkles, and then I put Nutella and sprinkles here. So that's all the ingredients we have right now. So I only use those in there.
앨리스.
Oh my gosh! Look.
오.
Okay, I'm gonna cut it.
This is
See what
red.
happens.
어.
Hey!
What?
I'm gonna
I didn't know that's how you cut.
Okay, I'm just gonna
아,
cut
so many Nutella.
Yeah, that's a lot. And are you gonna taste it?
Okay, I'm gonna taste this.
Okay, Jenny, look. Sarah's gonna taste it.
Good.
It's good. What does it taste like?
Nutella.
Like Nutella? That's it?
Yummy?
Yummy. Yummy in your tummy. Yum. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Okay. All right. This is Alice's creation. Alice, talk about your concept. What is this concept?
Nothing.
Nothing. Where are the sprinkles? No sprinkles? Oh, some sprinkles. Are you gonna give it a bite? No. You hate it. Why don't you want to eat it?
Why me?
Not you.
Do you guys want to play this game?
This is mine.
No.
Alice.
Mine.
Ah. Okay, let's play this game.
No. I need to give my.
Yummy.
Oh wait. I'm gonna.
Goodbye.
No
Say
wait.
goodbye, everybody.
Back.
Bye bye guys.
Bye bye.